Hey there, CJ Math students. Welcome to Math Test number 47. We're going to add and subtract integers, so you have to be able to switch back and forth between both today. So first of all, remember, if you have same signs, you're going to add and keep the sign. So if you have different signs, you're going to subtract and keep the sign that has more. And very important, whenever you see subtraction, you're going to keep the first number, change the second, subtraction to addition, and change the second number to its opposite. So 2 minus 5 becomes 2 plus negative 5. Negative 3 minus 4 becomes negative 3 plus negative 4. Negative 5 minus negative 6 becomes negative 5 plus positive 6. Keep, change, change. We do that in order to get back to an SSAK or DSSM problem for us to solve it. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve these problems. We're going to label the type, and then we're going to put the letter where it belongs in the puzzle. And we're going to be able to answer the riddle, what should you do if you are surrounded by 20 lions, 15 tigers, and 10 leopards? So why? First of all, it's an addition problem, so I leave it alone. It is a different sign, subtract more. I have more negatives, so I subtract 6 minus 2. I get negative 4. So now I pause, go back down here, I see negative 4 right there, and I put the letter Y. So if I get an answer that's not at the bottom there, that means I messed up. Next problem, I see negative 4 plus negative 25. Those are same signs, so I add and keep the sign. So that is negative 29. I pause, I go to the back side, I look for negative 29. It's right here, and I put T. The next problem, F. I see subtraction. So immediately when I see subtraction, I have to keep, change, change. So that becomes 60 plus positive 15. Same signs, add, keep. 60 plus positive 15 is 75. So I pause, find 75 on the back, put F. The next problem is 3 minus negative 7. Again, I need to keep, change, change. Right? So it becomes 3 plus positive 7, SSAK. That is 10. So I'm looking for 10 on the back, and I'm going to put the letter O. That's negative 10. Here's positive 10. Put the letter O. Next one, 37 minus 12. Now, both of those are positive numbers, but just for our sake of practicing, I keep, change, change. Keep 37, change that to plus. It's negative 7, negative 12, excuse me. So DSSM. And that gives me more positives than I have negatives, so I just subtract. It gives me 25. So I'm looking for 25 on the back and putting P. And then 10 plus 6, so that's SSAK. That's 16. So looking for 16 on the back and putting J. So that's what you're doing here. Now the biggest thing to remember is that when you have subtraction, you have to keep, change, change. I can't just say 17 plus 18 and I'm done. No, keep, change, change. Now that becomes 17 plus negative 18, right? D, negative 5 plus positive 20. Keep, change, change, right? I don't do anything when I have addition problems. I leave that alone. I leave this alone. I leave this alone. This one I keep, change, change. 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 This one I leave alone because there's a plus sign. This one I leave alone because there's a plus sign, right? So when you're doing these, make sure as you're going through, you're saying, oh, subtraction, keep, change, change. Subtraction, oh, keep, change, change. Addition, leave it alone, right? So you're going to do all these. Show me when you are done. And then I will tell you to go on to 1 and 2 and to your next exercise.